Hi everyone, welcome to the Droid G channel. Today's video will explain to you SIM card isn't detected. Although the internet is now very developed, we use SIM cards to make and receive calls less frequently. But making or receiving calls remains one of the most important functions on an Android phone. When our internet signal is poor, we also need to use the cellular data in the SIM card package or make calls to connect with others. If SIM card not detected Android phone, you can only successfully connect to the internet via Wi-Fi. So how can you resolve the no SIM card detected Android phone error message if the Wi-Fi cannot connect? Today's video will tell you the answer. This video is applicable to mobile phone models including Huawei, Samsung, Xiaomi, Redmi, OnePlus, Vivo, Oppo, Sony, LG, and HTC. Please be patient and watch this video. We will try our best to help you remove no SIM card error message on Android phone. Many Android users do not understand why is phone not reading my SIM card or Android phone is saying no SIM card. You may have SIM card inserted but showing no SIM card. My phone say no SIM when there is a card in it. So what are the common causes of no SIM card error? This can often be caused by carelessness or some software issues. For example, if you recently removed and reinstalled your SIM card and got a no SIM card error, you may not have inserted the SIM card correctly. Outdated or uncontrolled phone software. Insufficient storage space may also be the reason for Android phone SIM card not detected. For incompatible devices, some SIM card operators may lock the SIM card on a specific device and must be unlocked before it can be used normally on other devices. Including software issues may also cause Android phone keeps saying no SIM card. When phone showing no SIM card inserted appears and you are not sure what to do when the SIM card cannot be read. Don't worry, we have provided you with several simple and efficient methods to tell you how to fix SIM card not detected on Android phone. You can try the methods in the video one by one. If you think this video is good, you can subscribe, like or leave a message to tell us which method helped you solve the problem. Method 1 is to check the SIM card. If you have recently removed the SIM card and reinstalled it, a SIM card not inserted alert appears. It could be that your SIM is oriented incorrectly or has scratch marks. So, how to fix no SIM card detected Android phone? Please turn off your device before removing the SIM card. After taking out the SIM card, please check the direction of the SIM card and check whether there are scratches or stains on the surface of the SIM card. If there are any stains, please clean them before cleaning the card slot. Try inserting the SIM card again to see if the SIM information can be recognized. Method 2 is to test whether the SIM card is working properly. How to fix no SIM card on Android phone? You can test whether your SIM card is working properly. To test whether the SIM card is working properly, insert the SIM card into another phone and see if it can be detected. If that still doesn't work, the SIM card is damaged. You need to contact your operator for help and get a new SIM card. You can also use another SIM card to insert into the phone to reconfirm whether the unrecognized SIM card is damaged. Method 3 is to remove uncontrolled third-party software. If you have recently downloaded software and it is out of control or otherwise abnormal, third-party software may also affect the SIM card, causing Android phone can't detect the SIM card. Therefore, you need to delete your recently downloaded software one by one and restart your phone. Then check again to see if the SIM card is back to normal. Method 4 is to restart your Android phone. If the no SIM card error occurs on your Android device due to an unknown software glitch, then you need to restart your phone. A simple restart can fix Android phone no SIM card detected problem, and may also help if the SIM is not recognized. To restart your device, press and hold the power button until the restart icon appears on the screen. After that, click the restart icon. After clicking, please wait patiently for the phone to restart. After that, check the phone screen to see if the SIM card cannot be detected prompt appears. Method 5 is to confirm that the SIM card is turned on. Android phones allow users to freely open or close the SIM card. When the SIM card is disabled, the SIM card will not work in the Android phone. So, if you have disabled the SIM card unintentionally, your Android phone says no SIM card detected. To do this, check if your SIM card is turned on. Please open Settings, find and click SIM card and mobile networks. If your Android phone supports dual SIM setup, select your SIM card that you want to enable. Then make sure the button is turned on the results page. After opening, please wait for the network to restart, and your SIM card error message will no longer be displayed. Method 6 is to reset network settings. How to fix no SIM card detected error on Android phone. Modified network settings are also one of the reasons why the SIM card is not detected, and you may not be able to remember or find which setting was changed. At this time, resetting network settings comes into play. But you need to keep in mind that resetting network settings will also reset Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and other network settings, returning your network settings to their initial defaults. The Android phone in the video is a Samsung phone. The steps may be different for different models of phones. If it does not match your phone, you can contact us in the comment area. If you want to reset the network settings of your Android phone, Please try the following steps. 1. Please open the phone settings, scroll down to Find and click General Management. 2. Find and click the Reset option in the General Management interface. 3. There is a Reset Network setting in the new interface, please click it. 4. Check and confirm the information on the screen, then click Reset Settings. 5. Finally, click the Reset button again. Please wait patiently for the reset to complete. After the reset is complete, check again to see if the SIM card can be used normally. Method 7 is to restore factory settings. If none of the above solutions can fix if SIM card is not working on Android phone, please perform a factory reset. Factory reset will erase all content and settings on the device and restore it to its factory state. So before resetting, make sure you have backed up all important data if necessary. After that, tap on your phone settings. After entering settings, find and click General Management, and find the Reset option on the General Management interface. After clicking the Reset option, find and click Restore Factory Settings, and then confirm again. Finally, your device will restart after a while and display the same interface as when it was first powered on. After the reset is complete, please check again that the SIM card is detected on the phone and is working normally. Finally, you need to transfer the backed up data to your device again. Method 8 is to seek professional help. If the above steps do not solve the problem of having a SIM card but showing that it is not there may be a problem with the phone's hardware. How to fix no SIM card error on Android phone. We recommend that you take your phone to a repair center or mobile phone store to have a professional check it and help you solve the problem. That's it for today's video. If you think this video is helpful to you and think we did a good job, please like and share it and tell us which method helped you solve the problem in the message area. At the same time, if you think there is anything we need to improve, you can also express your opinions and suggestions in the message area. Thanks. Good luck.